Hello friends, welcome to part 67 of Laravel 12 multi-bundle e-commerce series. So we will continue working on the product filters, and in this part we are going to work on the price filter. So let's start. First of all, we are going to modify the filters blade file. We are going to add the prices, fixed prices like 0 to 1000, 1000 to 2000, 2000 to 5000, 5000 to 10,000, and 10,000 to 1 lakh. Okay. So these prices we are going to add. You can add the prices of your own choice. So we are going to modify the filters and we'll update this price filter there. I'm going to open the filters.blade.php file, and here I'm going to modify this price filter. So I'm going to update this price filter here. So we are going to modify the price filter here. Here we have modified the price filters. Here you can see. Okay, so now here after this we are going to add here price filter. We are going to update the apply filters function, in which we are going to also add the price filter query. Here you can see the apply filters, and here we are also going to add the price filter. So this price filter will have the minimum and maximum value. You can see that this filter is going to have the minimum and maximum value. Okay, like 0 to 1000, in which the minimum value is 0 and the maximum value is 1000. So we are going to find the products that comes between the 0 and 2000. And if the user want the products from 1000 to 2000, then we are going to fetch the products that are having the value between 1000 to 2000. Okay, so this query is doing the same thing. It is finding the uh, first price to second price. It is finding the where between. We have used the where between, means final price is must be between this price and this price. Okay, so we are getting these prices from the URL, and we are just the tilde sign here. Okay, we are exploding from this tilde sign, and then we are just checking in our query with the final price. So there is another step in the pagination. We are also required to add this price in the pagination. So I'm going to open the Ajax products listing. Here we are required to add. Here we are required to add the price as well. Okay. So I'm going to completely update this thing. I'm going to align it. So now I'm going to check. Okay, all these points are done. Now I'm going to check for the price filter here. So I'm going to check here. The price filter is here. I'm going to check the prices between the 1000 to 2000. Okay, here. So I'm going to check for its prices. Here I'm going to check, and we'll see the products that comes between the 1000 to 2000. Here you can see in the URL we are having the price equal to 1000-2000. It means we are going to set the price, the products between the 1000 to 2000, and here the results are coming. Only the products that are having the price between 1000 to 2000 are coming. Okay, so if I will also check this one, then both the products that are between 0 to 1000 and 1000 to 2000 means the products between 0 to 2000 are coming here. Okay, so 900 price product is also coming, and 2000 price product is also coming. Okay, so and once again I will select just 1000 to 2000, and I want to see that the pagination is working. I'm going to check in the second page for the third product that comes between the 1000 to 2000. Let's see. Yes, price is going here. You can see the price is going here in the parameter in the second page as well. Okay, and we can see here that one of the product that is left is now shown in the second page. Okay, so these price filters are working fine. Okay, so the price filter, color filter, as well as the size filter, brand filter, all these filters are working fine. And in the next part, we are going to work on the more filters. We are going to create the table also, from which we are going to manage the other filters like the fabric filters, sleeve, pattern, all these kind of filters we have already added. If I'm going to show you the products page, and here you can see we have added. No, we have not added those filters so far, but we are going to add those filters here. That is fabric, sleeve, pattern. Yeah, we have not added so far, and we are going to add, and we are going to manage all these field filters dynamically. Okay, so all these filters will come here dynamically. Okay, so that we are going to do in the next part. So please stay tuned for that. And also I want that you must subscribe the channel. If you have not subscribed the channel so far, then please search for this Tech Developers YouTube channel, and please subscribe the channel for more updates. And you can always join the channel to get the complete source code. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.